Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the visual style in Where Winds Meet. To change the visual style, simply press the Escape key or the corresponding menu key on your controller, go into Settings. In Settings, go to the Display section, right here. There, right under the display name, you can change the visual style. By default, it's chosen to the 16 notes of music. High contrast realistic visuals for a unique experience. You can change it to intensive, to vivid, warm, cool, and bright. I will go with intense. And, well, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one.